First, I start by color correcting so that I could use less product, especially since I'm going to be going in and using just concealers for this makeup look. So I'm going in and I'm just evening my face with this orange color corrector, and I'm blending it out so my face looks like it's just one tone. Then I'm going to go in and set that with powder so that it doesn't move and it doesn't affect whatever product I put on top of it and turn that orange. Then I'm going in with this lightweight concealer and highlighting the high points of my face, and I'm blending the edges first and then going to the inside of my face. And this is just laying the foundation, so that's why I'm really not letting it sit that much. Oh, and I forgot to mention, before I started this, I put edge control on my brows, but that needs to set, so that's why I'm doing everything first. By the time I'm done, my edge control will be set. Then I'm going in with a darker concealer and warming up the perimeter of my face, and then I went with a darker one but that was lighter than that one, just so it's an ombre effect and it'll like blend easier into the highlight. And of course, snatching the nose. Can we snatch it anymore? Yeah, I'm just snatching the nose with the contour. And then I'm about to go in with a concealer just to highlight even more and define my nose contour and just add more coverage to the look. I believe this concealer that I'm using is a filter concealer, so that's going to add more coverage and also like blur out, which is what I really like about like my makeup. I like things to be blurry. I think it's more seamless and everything blends better. And this looks pretty harsh right now, but we're going to go in and blend everything together and it won't look that harsh. Going in with blush and just blending everything together. Yeah, I put some on my forehead. Then I'm going in with a ton of powder to set smile lines. I want my makeup to be super matte, especially since I'm using concealer. We want everything to be set. So I'm putting an insane amount of powder on my face because I have oily skin, so I want everything to be matte, so when my face starts getting dewy later, it won't be overpowering. It'll be more natural. So I'm going in with bronzer in the perimeter to blend everything, and then blush. Yeah, really packing on the blush. Now my brows are finally set, so I can go in and fill them in. I'm just doing something really simple, and then in the front, we're just going to do hair-like strokes. Yes. Nothing too complicated with the brows. And then I'm carving those in, but making sure to keep that to the outer half of the brow just to give it a lifted look. I want my nose contour to be at the front of the brow to diffuse it. And then I'm going in and I'm blending that out, so I'm not giving halo brow, lifted brow. Then I like beauty marks, so I'm doing that. And then I'm just seeing what eyelash I want to use, and then just going in with mascara after I'm making sure that everything is blended. And then this eyeliner glue, and then putting on my lashes. This eyeliner glue is like super helpful when I'm rushing in the morning and I don't have time for the glue to dry, and also like I take it with me when I'm going out so I can touch up in case my lashes are falling off. And then we're about to do the multiple lipstick lip combo, which I use like 3 lipsticks for after putting on my lip liner. There goes lipstick number 1. Then lipstick number 2. And then I go back in with the liner, patting it matte. And then a little more Beauty Marks and lipstick number 3. And then I just wanted to add a little highlight under my brow, inner corners of my eye, and a little bit on my cheeks, but not too much. Setting spray number 1. Set that setting spray number 2. Pat that in, set it. And this is pretty much the finished look.